Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Been playing with this bloom technique that Shelee Art has made so popular. And I want to try and make a larger bloom. This is my interior semi-gloss house paint. And I have an 8 by 10 inch canvas. Some paints here that I wanted to use up. This is an ultramarine. Looks like that's thickened up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, this is my Miniwax polyacrylic. Just put a little bit in this container so that it was easier to handle. Drizzle some in there, thin that out. That looks better. It's running off the stick. Very nice. And what is this? This is a magenta that I had mixed up. There's very little of this. Probably just enough for this painting. And that's thickened up a bit too. So I'm going to put a couple drops in there. With my varnish. Give a nice mix. This is a dioxazine purple. I'm going to put that down first. Drizzle right down on there. This is a lake blue. And I'll put my pouring medium that I mixed these paints with down in the description box. Put in some of this ultramarine blue. Some of the magenta. In. Put some of that my neon pink in the middle here too. Just going to go back and put the rest of my purple. Some of this lake blue. Some more of my neon pink. And my cell creator. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, We'll let that come back to the center and then we'll stretch it out. Making really cool looking cells. I just love the way this looks. It's just so delicate looking when it's done. Just going to use my straw and blow gently in the middle because I can see there's a little bit of pink coming up through. Just bringing some of it up through. Looks like it's bounced back to the middle. And bring it down. Let's see which way first. We'll go that way first. And bring it this way. The cells are staying together very nicely. I'm loving that. That neon pink just looks so cool. Let's get it to the edge and bring it back to the middle. Okay. Let it stretch down this way. Just over that edge, and I want to bring it back now. Slowly, slowly. Just letting the weight of the paint come down to this corner. Scoop up a little bit of leftover paint here and use that to help it travel down. There we go. Okay, I'm going to bring it back a little bit to my center point. Gosh, there is some really, really cool stuff going on here. Check that out, all that beautiful webbing. There. The way that neon come through, and there's some ultramarine blue in there. Very cool. This is an 8x10 inch canvas, so that worked out really well. Really well. I'm going to just give it a gentle blow in the center, just to spread that out a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but there's some little tiny cells popping up through there after moving that around. So that gave it a little bit more of an eye. The only thing I need to do is pop a couple of bubbles on here so it can dry well. But there you go, guys. Thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate it. I will see you next time. Bye.